Now we have seen uh, that we require the energy of reactant molecule in ground state, but the ground state energy of molecules are not similar. They keep colliding with each other, due to which the energy of some molecules become high and some remains at low energy. So which energy should be considered to define activation energy? That was explained by Maxwell and Boltzmann. They showed the distribution of energies among the molecules, and the largest fraction of molecule possesses the energy. That energy will be taken as the energy of reactant in the ground state, and that energy is called most probable kinetic energy. Just see in this curve, the blue curve shows the distribution curve for energy of the molecules of the reactant. To this side we are plotting Ne upon Nt, means energy of molecule, fraction of molecule having energy out of total molecule. Nt is the total molecule, Ne is the fraction having energy. This is the fraction having this energy and this energy. This is the fraction having this energy and this energy. This is the having fraction which has this energy and this energy. So these are the fractions of molecule which has energies corresponding to the points in the curve. Now this is the fraction. Which fraction is it? 0.9 approximately. It is between 0.8 and 1. It is 0.9 fraction of the reactant molecule has energy this. The largest fraction is possessing this energy, and this value of energy is called most probable kinetic energy. Clear? Now, the energy required to form activated complex is Ce. This is the value of Ce. Energy of molecule is less than that of Ce. So obviously, what will happen? We will have to supply energy. The molecule which has energy larger than Ce, these are the molecule having energy larger than Ce, they will all be converting into product. Clear? So this is the distribution of curve energy among the reactant molecule. Now when we are raising the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, the energy of molecule increases. Obviously, this fraction had this energy, now it will increase to this. This fraction has this energy, now it will increase to this. This fraction has this energy, now it will increase to this. So that the whole curve shifts in a rightward direction with the decrease in the fraction of molecule having most probable kinetic energy. That fraction now decreases because energy of all the molecules is increasing. That is why, but you can see here, the fraction of molecule having energy equal to the Ce, that is energy required to form activated complex, the fraction is now doubled. Earlier it was just about 0.18 fraction, now it is 0.4 fraction. The fraction of molecule has been almost doubled, which has energy is sufficient to form activated complex. So that is why now more molecules are converting into product. That is why the rate of reaction will double. This shaded area is showing the additional molecule which will react at T plus 10. These are the molecule which will react at normal temperature, only very less, a very small fraction. Now when temperature is raised by 10 degrees Celsius, the fraction almost doubles. And these are the additional molecule which will be reacting at T plus 10. Thus we can conclude that on increasing the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, the kinetic energy of molecule does not double. It may or may not double, but the rate of reaction doubles because the fraction of molecule having energy sufficient to form activated complex is doubled. That fraction is doubling. That is why the rate of reaction is doubling. Is it clear? What is Ne upon Nt? It is the energy of molecule, number of molecule having energy out of total molecule. Clear? Now just revise it. If any problem, you can ask.